Hey, it's Luke Holmstrom at Funded Profits Trading, and today I want to go over 4 ways to help limit fear of losing money in trading. So let's go over these 4 different things that can help you. Sometimes we're not trigger happy. Sometimes we kind of just sit back. We don't want to trade because we're just so scared of losing money. But there's multiple things that you can do to help you push you past that and keep progressing and moving forward. So let's go over those. The first one I recommend is reducing your lot size. If you're getting worried about every single little move inside the market, or if we break market structure the littlest bit, then you really need to lower that lot size. Lower it by 50% even, or sometimes even lower it and make your stop loss even bigger to give yourself some more room. The next one's going to be only trade what you're comfortable with. If you're looking at a pattern or a candlestick formation that you want to use as a confluence, if you haven't really traded it, you haven't tested it, you haven't back tested it, and you're not really comfortable trading it, then don't trade it. Only trade market structures that you're comfortable with, only trade patterns that you're comfortable with, and only use indicators, honestly, that you're comfortable with. If you're having a time of fear of losing money, you should really just stick to what you know best. The next one's going to be wait to enter and plan out your entries on both sides. So, for example, if you're stuck there, you want to enter and trade, but you're scared of also losing money, you're not totally sure what's going on inside the market, the best thing that you can do is just wait and look at the market structure overall. You're going to be able to see patterns, and once you look at the market structure, there's going to be 2 different things that are going to happen. We're either going to go long, or we're going to go short, or we're going to consolidate, really. But even if we're consolidating for a little bit, it's going to have to break out in one direction. So plan, look at key levels, look at your indicators, look at your patterns forming, look at everything, and there's going to be 2 clear scenarios in your head. You have to look at the 2 different scenarios where the market's going to go overall, and when you do that, you can plan out your entries by looking at different price action. Sometimes I like just doing this sitting back, and I'll give myself a look at where we are right now inside the market. I look at the overall market structure, look at the indicators, look at all these different confluences that I look at, and from there I'll have a price, and if it goes above that price, then I'll be exercising a long position, and if it goes to the price that is lower than where we are inside the market right now, then I'll place even a sell option, or if once we hit a certain key level, then maybe I'll buy. You really want to formulate this in your head before you enter in the trade. Think of all the different possible scenarios and plan it out and just wait. The next one's going to be set a time limit on the trade. If sometimes it's nice to set a time limit. It doesn't have to be, you have to close this trade in 5 minutes or 15 minutes or an hour, but give yourself, a time limit to where you at least have to come back and analyze where you are inside the market. If you need a little bit more time to exercise the trade, then that's totally okay. But you really want to, set a time limit when you at least are going to come back and, go over what already happened during your trade and what you think could happen in the future. But sometimes having a time limit is kind of nice. It limits, your thoughts. You don't have to wait. You're not worried. After the, whatever your time limit, say 30-minute time limit is up, if you want to, and you're just done with the trade, you have, all rights to just get done with the trade. So these are 4 different ways to help limit fear of losing money in the market, or if you're not really trigger happy right now, just kind of feeling a little bit timid to hop into some of these trades. But if you're interested in learning more about trading, getting access to funded accounts with 100K plus, then all you got to do is go down below in the description and come check out what we have going on at the Academy, the Funded Profits Trading Academy. You can apply and see if you fit. But if you're interested in going to that, go down below. Otherwise, like if you learned anything, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.